Hey there, beautiful souls. It's Grace, back again with another Soulful Summit. If you're new here, welcome to our little corner of the internet where we dive deep into the aspects of life that truly matter. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back, my friend. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to talk about something that has been on my mind a lot lately. There are two important concepts that are often misunderstood because people treat them as though they are synonymous, but they are not. Forgiveness and reconciliation are not the same thing. You see, we often confuse these two. We think that to forgive someone means we have to let them back into our lives, to rekindle a relationship that may have been harmful or toxic. But that's not the case. Forgiveness is about releasing the burden of anger, resentment, and hurt that we carry within us. It's about finding peace within ourselves, not necessarily rebuilding a broken relationship. Reconciliation, on the other hand, is about mending a relationship, about coming back together after a conflict or a falling out. And while reconciliation can be a beautiful thing, it's not always possible or even healthy. Sometimes the best thing we can do for ourselves is to forgive but not reconcile. Forgiveness is a gift we give to ourselves. It's about letting go of the pain, the anger, the bitterness that's been weighing us down. It's about freeing ourselves from the chains of the past so we can move forward into a brighter, happier future. Reconciliation, while it can be a part of the healing process, is not a requirement for forgiveness. You can forgive someone without ever speaking to them again. You can forgive someone without ever seeing them again. You can forgive someone who has hurt you and passed away. You can forgive and still choose to walk away. And that's okay. It's more than okay, actually. It's brave, it's courageous. It's a testament to your strength, your resilience, your capacity for love and compassion. So, my beautiful souls, remember this. Forgiveness is not reconciliation. You can forgive without reconciling. You can find peace within yourself, without having to rebuild a relationship that caused you pain. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to me and helps me continue to create content like this. And as always, remember, you are strong, you are capable, you are worthy of love and respect, and you have the power to forgive, even when reconciliation isn't possible. Thank you so much for joining me today on this Soulful Summit. Until next time, keep shining your light, beautiful souls. Grace, signing off.